Mabuhay, Kamustika, welcome, how are you? This is Bob from Love Beyond the Sea. Just wanted to show you real quick what it's like for me every morning. I'm married to my Filipina. I don't know if I can open this with one hand, but I'm just getting my food ready for work. And this is food that Aiza prepares. That was rice, brown rice actually, and chicken. Here she's got for me some noodles, like tuna noodle style, except there's salmon in there. So we got chicken and rice, we have salmon and noodles, and then she also prepared some broccoli here, since I told her I needed to start eating more vegetables. We've got an apple here. So pretty impressive meal. Also, here's a little surprise. When we were at the store, Asian store, she bought some shrimp, and it was raw shrimp, so she had to cook it. Last but not least, we have some banana bread that she is famous for making. So I feel very spoiled. I just have to get up in the morning and load my food and zip it up and go to work. So very spoiled, but that's what can happen when you find love beyond the sea.